What's up everybody? My name is Nick. If you're joining us for the first time, please consider subscribing. And today we are going to be taking you on a trip to Nagasaki, particularly Huis Ten Bosch. Along the way, of course, we will share with you some places that we visited, where we stayed and what we ate, all the fun things. So stay with me as we take you on this beautiful journey to Nagasaki. Let's go.
Our journey begins at Kansai International Airport. From here, you can take a domestic flight to Nagasaki Airport, which is about an hour and 30 minutes.
Now where are you going?
We are off to Nagasaki and that's the flight that we are taking.
It's your line.
I think the weather is quite nice. Not bad. Hope to be fun.
Alternatively, you can take a train from Osaka to Hakata Station in Fukuoka.
Now we are going to here. And then tomorrow we'll go here, Huis Ten Bosch. そしてハウスで帰ってきて we sleep here, then we'll go. This side is where Haru-chan stays. This is the center of Nagasaki. Then come back to the airport by bus.
The coin-operated lockers. I see. So you can leave your baggage in stations or even at the airport and pay a lot of money. I see this one, you pay 500 and to 1,000 yen, and it depends on the size of the locker. The smaller ones are slightly cheaper, like this one is 400, you can see. The others 600.
Join us as we explore this unique destination, perfect for families and travelers seeking a blend of culture, history, and fun.
That's an apartment, like Airbnb. Just go in and see. Go upstairs. Ooh. And you just have to beat. And there you go. Welcome. The bathroom is quite small, but it's really handy.
This is so cool. Look at this. So this one is muscat and it's got grape. Yeah, very yummy grape. So yes, I'm we need to put it in the see the handle so you can just hold it
The share.
like that.
In Japan, we have various types of breads.
And this one is raisin bread. You can see, it looks like you've got grapes. How about this one? This has, let me just open it. Put it there. Raisin. Oh, nice. Ooh, this one looks good. Looks yummy. Yeah.
Lad, me say, making sure the dance outside.
Nice station we are at. Let me just show you. And that is the station. It's called what? Shinomura Station, JR Station. We are going to another very interesting place. And here is the train. You can see beautiful place, Inaka village, but you can see it's way in the mountains. And this is a station. It's called the Huis Ten Bosch station. See, it's next to this. They've got. Oh, and there goes the train. Yes, good stuff. Hello. How's it going? It is. Look at that. Believe it or not, this is Japan, but they have this little city that they have created that is modeled on a city in Holland. So you can see, look at all this. It is so beautiful. Look at that. My. I'm just going to do a 360 that you can see what's happening. Beautiful flowers, beautiful landscape, beautiful lake. Wow. Got ticket information, 1 day passport, children 6.
There are also discounted rates for seniors and multi-day passes available for those wanting to explore at a more leisurely pace.
Before you get in, you have got this card that you buy the ticket, and it's got a QR code where you scan. So once you get in to the entrance, this is what you start seeing. And then we've got the map here. Let's see. But we have got an event map. Lots of things that are happening here. It's a big place.
Huis Ten Bosch, named after one of the official residences of the Dutch royal family, opened its doors in 1992.
Apparently, to get out of this teddy bear kingdom and move to the next place, you have to go up the stairs. So whether you like it or not, you have to see.
Kids will love the bear house, a whimsical space filled with adorable teddy bears and interactive displays. This theme park was created to celebrate the centuries-old relationship between Japan and the Netherlands, dating back to the early 17th century, when Dutch traders were among the few foreigners allowed to trade with Japan.
This is a gift shop. Look at the wrapping.
Start your journey with a stroll through the stunning tulip gardens. In spring, the park bursts into color with over 700 varieties of tulips. It's a photographer's paradise and a delightful way to immerse yourself in the beauty of nature.
The ticket pays for all this and all the activities that you've got here. So they've got this display thing. And other things that are
これ海鮮ちゃんぽんって普通に選んだらこれレギュラーサイズ。
これ今レギュラーサイズで設定されてて、サラダありがとうございます。履歴確認したかったこれ皿うどんのメイン普通の餃子ごとのご飯しばらく
So what do you have here?
This is champon with seafood. Champon is a special type of ramen. It's like ramen, but it's a specialty of Nagasaki. And here is gyoza. These are dumplings with meat inside.
Okay.
And this is rice, and then this is saraudon. Saraudon is also the particular food in Nagasaki. It has this vegetable and pork, and then the dry noodle. So as you keep eating it, this becomes soft, and then you keep mixing it as you eat.
Nice.
ここはインダーネットです。ハウステンボス。For this food, about maybe $20.
Next, hop on a canal boat ride. This leisurely journey through the park's winding waterways offers a unique perspective of the Dutch-inspired architecture. It's a relaxing way to soak in the scenery and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere.
Coming at the observatory. Oh my goodness. Look at that. This is
綺麗。ほら。わあ、めっちゃ綺麗。
That's the sea.
The park's design meticulously replicates the architecture and ambience of a Dutch town, complete with canals, windmills, and tulip gardens, offering a picturesque setting that transports visitors back in time. Huis Ten Bosch is a treasure trove of attractions and experiences. Let's dive into some of the must-see spots and activities that you shouldn't miss.
Digital work of art. Wow. Just touch the jellyfish. Something good. Look at that. It's pretty cool.
Don't miss a ride on the Ferris wheel. This iconic attraction provides panoramic views of Huis Ten Bosch and its surroundings. It's particularly breathtaking at sunset, when the sky paints a beautiful backdrop over the park. For those seeking a bit of adventure, head to the VR Game Island. It's the world's first VR theme park where you can dive into immersive virtual reality games. The cutting-edge technology offers an exciting and futuristic experience.
Jurassic Park.
Thrill seekers, the zipline adventure offers an exhilarating way to see the park from above. Soar through the air and take in the stunning views as you glide over the canals and gardens.
Psycho drummers on a move. Can hear them. There they go.
The park also hosts various events and performances throughout the year, ensuring there's always something new to experience. Did you know that Huis Ten Bosch uses over 13 million LED lights for its winter illumination, making it one of the most spectacular light displays in Japan? As the day draws to a close, Huis Ten Bosch transforms into a beautifully illuminated wonderland. The charming streets and canals lit up against the night sky create a mesmerizing end to a perfect day.
It's been a full day of fun and activities, and now we are going to one of the final ones, the merry-go-round.
The VR was so funny. We went to like bungee jump and it went to the space, and then we had nice lunch, noodle, and then we also had Ferris wheel, and we saw opera, we saw taiko. It's been so busy. We went even to the island to shoot dinosaurs, and it's been so nice. The weather is nice. I think I liked the VR. I liked the observatory, the zip line.
Oh, so many activities, and yet we didn't even cover half of that.
Nah, let's come back again.
So we will be back.
Thank you for joining us on this delightful journey through Huis Ten Bosch. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing travel adventures. Until next time, Journey!